Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to reach the billing support of MidJourney from your mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to reach the billing service or billing support section by using your email address, you just simply have to open your application of mail that you use, and after that simply tap into this compose button, and after tapping into compose you just simply have to put the billing email address of MidJourney, that is billing@midjourney.com. Then after that just simply write down your subject into this subject section. Then after that main part comes here. You just simply have to describe all of the subscription or billing issue that you're having or any of the information about the billing into MidJourney. Just simply write down your mail into this section and tap into this blue send button into top. Then after that your mail will be sent to the billing section of MidJourney. This way you can very easily mail the billing customer service of MidJourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.